Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet these lovely snowflakes. They make great Christmas tree and table decorations. This is done with just 2 rows of stitches. I'll be using size 3 cotton yarn and a size 3 milliliter hook for this project. To begin, create a slip knot. Don't tighten it yet. We'll do that later. Do 4 more chains. Slip stitch to join with the beginning stitch to form a circle. You can now tighten the stitch. Doing it this way, you get a softer join without the knot. Next, chain 2. This chain 2 counts as a double crochet stitch. Chain 2 again. These chains are for the space between the stitches. Now make a double crochet into the circle. Chain 2. Then make a double crochet into the circle. Chain 2. Follow the double crochet and the chain 2 sequence until you have a total of 6 double crochets and 6 chain 2. One, two, three, four, five, 6. After you have done all the stitches, slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 2 to join the round. Moving on to the second round. We'll be working our stitches in the chain space, so make a slip stitch into the next chain space. Chain 2. This chain 2 counts as a double crochet stitch. Make 5 more chains. We'll start making a picot. Now skip a chain. Slip stitch into the next chain. Follow with a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3. Do a double crochet into the same chain space where we started. This is the first of our 6-point hexagon. We'll make 1 point in each chain space. Next, chain 1. Do a double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 5. Skip 1 chain. Do a slip stitch into the next chain. And then follow by a single crochet. Chain 3. Double crochet into the chain space below. This completes our second point of the hexagon. Repeat the pattern 4 more times. For the last stitch, after chaining 1, connect it to the beginning chain 2 with a yarn needle. Then continue and weave in the loose ends. Depending on the kinds of yarn you use. Most cotton and acrylic ones need a stiffener to make them more rigid. To prepare the stiffener, I mix 50% of Elmer's glue and 50% of water. I line a plate with aluminum foil. Mix together about 2 teaspoons of glue and an equal part of water. Mix well. Saturate the snowflake with the liquid. Shape it with your hands if needed. Set it aside to dry overnight. After drying, it becomes nice and firm. It's now ready to join your decorations. Thank you for watching. I invite you to check out other snowflake patterns in my channel. Bye for now.